Hello and welcome to the Morning Bulletin. This is Amina and you're watching SW News English. Now it's time to dive into the top stories of the morning. A voter turnout of 10.82% was recorded at 9 am in the sixth phase of the Lok Sabha elections. Polling is underway across 6 states and 2 UTs, Delhi and Jammu and Kashmir. Polling is underway in 14 seats in Uttar Pradesh, all 10 seats in Haryana, 7 seats in Delhi, 8 seats each in Bihar and West Bengal, 6 seats in Odisha, 4 seats in Jharkhand and 1 seat in Jammu and Kashmir. Simultaneously, polling is also being held for 42 assembly constituencies in Odisha. The BJP has asked the Supreme Court to urgently intervene against an injunction issued by the Calcutta High Court against publishing derogatory advertisements against West Bengal's ruling party TMC till June 4. The BJP stated that the interim injunction order was passed by a single judge bench of the High Court without giving it a chance to be heard. Moreover, the BJP has raised a question in the Supreme Court whether a political rival could approach the High Court simultaneously and get a freeze order in the midst of an election when the Election Commission of India had already issued a notice to the BJP to respond. A Delhi court on Friday has remanded Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's aide, Bibhav Kumar, in judicial custody for 4 days. This was following a request by Delhi police that investigators may need to question him again after receiving forensic reports in the alleged assault case involving Swati Maliwal. Bibhav Kumar was arrested from the Chief Minister's house on May 18 and remanded in police custody for 5 days. According to IMD, Cyclone Remal will make landfall between Sagar Island in West Bengal and Bangladesh on Sunday midnight. This is the first cyclone in the Bay of Bengal this pre-monsoon season and will be named Remal. It will strengthen into a cyclonic storm by Saturday morning and further intensify into a severe cyclonic storm by Saturday night. A Delhi court on Friday has convicted social activist Medha Patkar in a defamation case lodged against her by Delhi's Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena. Metropolitan Magistrate Raghav Sharma found Patkar guilty of criminal defamation. The magistrate court found that Patkar's statements against Saxena were not only defamatory but also crafted to incite negative perceptions. Patkar and Saxena have been locked in a legal battle since 2000 after she filed a suit against him for publishing advertisements against her and the Narmada Bachao Andolan NBA. Saxena at that time was the chief of Ahmedabad-based NGO National Council for Civil Liberties. Then Saxena had also filed 2 cases against her for making derogatory remarks against him on a TV channel and issuing a defamatory statement. Suspended JDS leader Prajwal Revanna, who ran to Germany after facing allegations of mass sexual abuse, has been asked to respond to Karnataka government's request for cancelling his diplomatic passport. After the External Affairs Ministry received the Karnataka government's formal letter, they began to process the revoking of Revanna's passport. Well, that's all for the morning bulletin. Till then, keep watching SW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates. Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.